Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'll show you how can you hide your following list on Instagram. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, we need to get something out of the way. So open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using, and make sure you update the Instagram app to the latest version, or at least have one of the latest versions for everything to work properly in this process. After that, you can quit your store. Now let's open Instagram and make sure you are logged into your account, as you can see here guys. Now open your profile by tapping the profile picture in the bottom right corner. And this is the list that we want to hide. Basically the list of people that you are actually following currently on your account. Now, in order for you to hide that list from the public, you need to make sure your account is not public. So you can tap here in the top right corner on those three lines. It will take you to settings. From settings, look for account privacy and tap on it. If you find this toggle turned off, go ahead and turn it on. That will make your account private. That means random or public users of Instagram will not be able to view your list of following unless they follow you. So basically you need to go ahead and accept a follow request in order for them to be able to view your following list. As you can see, this is a public account and I can still see the following list. But as you can see guys, in this private account, you will never be able to see the following list unless you follow this user and they accept your request. And that is it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And of course, again, thank you very much for watching. See you in future videos guys.